Here is an example of a hero's journey call to action storytelling element about organic marketing. Attention online business builders using organic marketing strategies. Listen to the call of adventure that awaits you. Confront the challenge of gaining visibility on a limited marketing budget and embrace it as a transformative path. Immerse yourself in understanding your audience's pain points, crafting captivating content brimming with valuable insights. Fearlessly distribute your expertise through diverse mediums like blogs, videos, and social media. Engage genuinely with your audience, cultivating meaningful connections. Be bold in experimenting with innovative tactics such as referral programs and niche interviews. Remember, this call demands action. Embrace the challenge, adapt, and grow. Revolutionize your organic marketing endeavors, converting constraints into opportunities. Propel your online business to unprecedented heights. Seize this thrilling adventure and conquer the vast realm of organic marketing.